Here's a pair of the Soundcore V20i earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a TCL Smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is put these earbuds into pairing mode. So let me go ahead and take these earbuds out. So take them out and you want to wait about 5 seconds or so. And if it's blinking blue, then that means it's in pairing mode and that's what we want. All right, so let me wait a few seconds here. Okay, so mine goes off. The reason why mine goes off is because I'm connected to another device near me. So let me manually put this in a pairing mode. So I'm just going to go ahead and place my finger on top of that logo on both of the earbuds and press and hold and wait until it blinks blue. Okay, so ready, press and hold and just wait for like 5 seconds or so. There we go. Now it's blinking blue. That's what we want. Now it's in pairing mode. So now leave it just like this and let's shoot over to our TCL TV. Go directly to your settings. On this TV here on the home page, you just go up to the gear icon, the top right hand side. Let's move over there. Let's select that. And then from here, we're going to go down to remotes and accessories right there. Let's select that. And then from here, we're just going to add accessory. And then we're going to click on OK because it's in pairing mode. It's still blinking blue. Now just wait until it finds it. And there you go. The Soundcore is already highlighted. Let me OK that. It says pairing. Oh, it said couldn't pair. Weird. Okay, no problem. We'll do it again then. It says pairing. Okay, get a pairing request here. I'm going to click on pair. It says connecting. And it just said paired, and we are now connected and ready to go. And you can also see it says connected down there. So pretty simple. Now, if you had issues, can't put this in a pairing mode or issues connecting, you can always factory reset these earbuds. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.